Our first recipient of the 2020 Quest for the Best Award is Tia Abusham. Tia is a senior double majoring in biology and philosophy. Her involvements include the College of Sciences Student Council, Mortarboard Honor Society, the Middle Eastern Student Union, the College of Sciences Diversity Council and Success Center. Tia has volunteered with the American Red Cross, Scripps Mercy Hospital, Alvarado Hospital and Medical Center, and the SDSU Adaptive Fitness Clinic. She has been on the Dean's List and received the Adrian Gonzalez Scholarship. Tia's advisor said of her, "She is an incredibly motivated and empathetic student leader. Others view her as a trendsetter due to her ability to successfully balance civic engagement, academics, and co-curricular activities, all while paying forward her knowledge and experience through mentorship. What makes her the proudest of Tia is how she is able to motivate her peers to reach heights that were previously unattainable. She understands that the destination is not the goal, but the journey is the goal. Tia is the best of the best." After graduation, Tia plans to pursue her master's degree in philosophy at SDSU. Tia is honoring Omar Baza from the Student Life and Leadership Office. Omar, thank you for your mentoring. We will now watch a video with some remarks from Tia.
Hi, my name is Tia Abusham and I'm recording from San Diego. I want to start off by saying thank you to all of those who made this happen. We're really grateful for all you're doing for us. But other than that, I am more than honored to be a recipient of Quest for the Best. This has been a humbling and amazing experience. I am more than honored and thankful to be selected as one of the recipients. This award is not just about the validation, but it's also a celebration of everything I've done and everything that people have helped me get to at this point. Other than that, it is about the journey and everything that it has taken to lead to this moment and be here. And I want to emphasize that I couldn't have done it alone, and I did it with the help of a lot of different people. And it is great to see someone like myself, a first-generation commuter student that is a STEM major, being represented as one of the recipients of Quest for the Best. But to emphasize that I couldn't have done it without the help of a lot of faculty, staff, other students, and mentors. I really, really want to thank Omar Baza, who is a commuter life advisor, and how he's helped me get this far. I couldn't have done this without his help. He has helped me grow as a person, grow as a leader, and helped me with everything that I've done through commuter life and throughout all my other involvements. So thank you for all you've done, and SDSU is so lucky to have someone like you. But other than that, I want to thank my family and friends for always supporting me with all the crazy things that I've wanted to do and I've done so far. So thank you for always saying that I can do it and never telling me no. It is an honor to be here, a pleasure to speak before you. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and have a great day.